Welcome to ContentSense. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on, designed to help users extract data from a wide range of documents, including bills, invoices, vouchers, receipts, agreements, contracts, and more. The add-on utilizes the latest technologies to enhance data extraction and seamlessly organize the information into structured spreadsheets within Google Sheets. In this video, we will see how ContentSense automates data extraction and organization in Google Sheets. Let's launch ContentSense and explore the available documents. We have documents categorized into finance, personal, healthcare, human resources, education, legal, and logistics. Now, I will select Invoice under the Finance category to extract the invoice information. We have a few standard fields, and we can also add new fields for extraction by clicking the plus icon based on the document. I will create new fields: subtotal, shipping, and quantity. Now, let's upload the document from the local machine. Supported file formats include JPG, JPEG, PNG, WEBP, and PDF. We can upload many files at a time. We can also provide additional instructions to refine the extraction process. After uploading the documents, we will select the destination invoice from the list, where the extracted information will be presented. Now, we will click the Process Document button to process the selected documents and extract the information. We can see the information extracted one by one from the invoice. Now, we will look at one of the selected document. The invoice details such as the invoice number, invoice date, billing address, vendor name, description, quantity, and other relevant information are extracted into the spreadsheet. Now, we see another use case where we can collect the student certificate and extract its details. Now, we create a new sheet, select Certificate under Education, upload the documents, and extract the information following the same process. We can see the extracted information such as certificate ID, certificate title, recipient name, issuing authority, date of issue, and description of certification. Now, we will see how to extract lab report information using ContentSense by selecting Lab Report under Healthcare and following the same steps. We extracted the lab report information such as patient name, doctor name, test name, test date, and other details, and presented it in the selected sheet. With ContentSense, extracting and organizing data from documents like invoices, certificates, and lab reports becomes seamless and efficient, saving time and improving accuracy in Google Sheets. Experience the future of data extraction and organization with ContentSense. Thanks for watching the video.